You asked, how to divide 7564 by 3 using the long division method. 7 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 2521 remainder 1.